All right. The next thing we're going to talk about is how to create a section break in order to alternate questioning. It used to be when I gave paper tests that I would have a Form A, a Form B, and a Form C. And they used to just be the same questions in a different order to prevent kids from cheating off of each other's tests. Well, unfortunately, with Google Classroom, they don't necessarily have a question bank or a test bank where you can give different forms to students, but this is a good alternative for that. So what you're going to do is create different sections like we talked about from our last video. So I've gone ahead and created a section based on the answer. So the question is, who is your favorite character in the book, Atticus, Scout, etc., etc. And what I do is I title them. You could easily title it section 2, section 3. I find it's easiest to do it based on the answer, all right? So what you're going to do in order to create the section break is once again go to the 3 dots in the bottom right and you click go to section based on answer. It's then going to create these nice little boxes and you'll click on the arrow. And so if they were to choose Atticus, then they'll go to section 2, which I've titled Atticus. If they chose Scout for their favorite character, then it will be Scout. You'll want to do something that's just an easy freebie question. I have some colleagues that do colors. I choose to keep it curriculum based with characters. And then all you'll do, it'll directly take the student to this section once they choose their answer. And I simply keep the same questions, just change up the order to keep it fair. But once again, this is just a way to deter them from cheating by having different keys, different answers. And I hope that helps you in your pursuit to prevent cheating within Google Classroom.